Thanks Ninja Kitchens for sponsoring this video for honey garlic grilled salmon. Hi sweeties! We have a good one for you today. We are making grilled salmon inside. We're going to use the Ninja Foodi Grill XL indoor grill and air fryer. Crispy skin on that salmon, and I didn't have to flip it during cooking. Check it out. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and now let's get into it. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the sauce. We do the sauce first because the grill, cooks the fish pretty quickly. There's not a whole lot of time to waste. So let's get into that sauce. So to make this quick sauce, we're going to have some butter, a few cloves of garlic, honey, and just a little bit of soy sauce. What I'll do first is take about a tablespoon of butter and drop it into our pan and let that start melting. Oops, that's the wrong burner. And while that's melting, we'll smash some garlic and just crush them up to get the papery skin off. And sometimes this little piece right here is a little bit tough. So I'm just going to cut that off too. And use the heel of your hand to smash that garlic. Then we'll just run our knife through. Into the pan. And this is over a low heat. Our butter's a little brown and that's just fine. Just a little more flavor. And we're gonna let that soften over low heat for just about 30 seconds. And then we'll put in some honey. And we only need a little bit of sauce. Just a little, it's more like a glaze. And then a few dashes of soy sauce. And we'll let that simmer down so it gets nice and thick and the flavor of the garlic can just permeate the whole sauce. It's going to be so tasty. And it's only going to take about a minute or two since we have a nice shallow pan. This can reduce quickly and become a sticky sweet glaze. It's a pretty color, isn't it? And then while that's working, we're going to season our fish with my homemade seasoned salt blend. And the recipe for my seasoned salt is in a link in the description. All right, that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and shut that off and get back to our salmon. Full recipe will be in the description box. We just rubbed the salmon all over with that seasoned salt and rubbed it with oil. We put the temperature probe into the fish and now we're going to set it. Using the presets, we're going to go to the fish setting and we're going to set it to cook the fish to medium. And the temperature probe will register when the fish gets to perfect medium and it'll shut off. Our Ninja Foodi Grill XL has been preheating, getting that grill grate nice and hot. Watch this. I guess I should have said, listen to this. That sizzle is what you want to hear. The grill grate is nice and hot. So we're going to get that fish skin nice and crispy. It's going to cook well on the bottom, and the heat element is on the top. So it's going to cook nice and evenly. And that temperature probe is inserted so that it will cook the fish to a medium. And, the temperature probe will let the grill know when that fish is cooked to medium, and it'll shut off. You just got to make sure it's placed in there properly. And you got to do a little adjusting sometimes to make sure that the end of that probe is all the way inside the grill so that you can close it down and close all of that heat in so it'll function properly. And look how much salmon we can fit on that grill. 6 pieces of salmon. Those are nice, healthy, big size pieces of salmon. So that's more than enough for the whole family, with a little bit left over for lunch the next day. So the grill will alert you when it's time to flip your food, but like I said, we're not going to flip this fish, but we are going to use this time to baste that sauce we made onto the fish. So the fish isn't fully cooked yet, it is partially cooked, and we're going to brush that glaze, the honey, the soy, the garlic, the butter onto this fish, and we're going to cook it more. Now that fish is done. See how it says get food? I love those little messages from the Foodi Grill. Get food. So let's go get this food. Look how beautiful this salmon looks. Gorgeous glaze on there. Nice and brown on the outside. Cooked perfectly both sides, and I didn't have to flip it. Now listen to this. Crispy, like when you get one of those salmon skin rolls. Beautiful. I really love the way that fish comes out on the Ninja Foodi Grill. And we made a nice big salad with it. I poached some green beans and potatoes to get them nice and tender. Roasted some tomatoes, cherry tomatoes on the vine. Did a couple of soft-boiled eggs, some butter, lettuces. Tossed that in a little vinaigrette, just lemon juice, some chives, olive oil. Perfect. So good. Remember to check the description box for the full recipe, but that's a great lunch, a great brunch, a great dinner. Wow, that is such a great salad for lunch, for dinner, for entertaining. When we can entertain again, I mean, it's perfect, loaded with that moist grilled salmon with the crispy skin, potatoes, green beans lightly blanched. They still have a teeny bit of crunch to it. So good. Cherry tomatoes that we roasted. I mean, it's easy, it's delicious, it's great. I love it. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and y'all have a delicious day.